Hello from Farm Vibes Life. Welcome to the next episode of our agricultural documentary series. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of date harvesting, focusing on the use of modern shaking machines and advanced techniques in date packaging. Join us as we follow the entire journey of the Phoenix dactylifera, also known as the date palm. This flowering plant belongs to the palm family Ericaceae and is cultivated for its delicious sweet fruit. Although its exact origin remains a mystery due to centuries of cultivation, it is believed to have originated in the regions surrounding Iraq. Date palms are now cultivated worldwide and have naturally adapted to many tropical and subtropical regions. This process begins with selecting high-quality seeds or cuttings from mature trees. Offshoots are preferred because they retain the genetic characteristics of the parent tree. These offshoots are carefully planted in nutrient-rich, well-prepared soil. Sandy loam soil is ideal, as its good drainage is crucial for healthy root development. Date palms thrive in hot, dry climates with plenty of sunlight. They thrive in temperatures ranging from 77 degrees to 104 degrees, 25 degrees to 40 degrees. Irrigation is essential, especially during the early years. Farmers often rely on drip irrigation systems to provide consistent moisture while conserving water. In spring, date palms bloom, producing flower clusters called inflorescences from the leaf axils. There are male and female date palms. Male trees produce small, fragrant white flowers, while female trees have larger cream-colored flowers. Pollination is key to fruit production. In nature, the wind carries pollen from male flowers to female flowers. However, to increase yield and ensure a bountiful harvest, farmers often resort to hand pollination. They collect pollen from male flowers and gently sprinkle it onto female flowers, enhancing the chances of successful fertilization. One of the most exciting innovations in modern agriculture is the use of shaking machines for date harvesting. Previously, harvesting required workers to climb tall palm trees and pick the fruit by hand. But now, thanks to these machines, the process is faster and less labor-intensive. After harvesting, the dates are transported to processing facilities for cleaning, sorting, and packaging. The cleaning process involves washing the dates to remove dirt and debris. Next, they are sorted by size, color, and quality. Premium dates are then packaged using modern machinery, ensuring optimal conditions. Packaging often involves vacuum sealing or modified atmosphere packaging, MATP, to extend shelf life, an essential step for dates destined for export markets, ensuring they remain fresh during transportation. In 2023, global date exports reached a new high, with Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Iran dominating the market. Recent statistics show that Egypt exported over 200,000 tons, generating significant revenue. Saudi Arabia and Iran closely followed, each shipping approximately 150,000 tons. Advanced farming methods and modern technology in date cultivation and processing play a crucial role in meeting the growing global demand. Countries have invested resources in research and development to increase yield, enhance quality, and promote sustainability. A persistent challenge is the demand for skilled labor. While shaking machines and technology have reduced manual labor, trained individuals are still needed to operate equipment and manage farms efficiently. Training programs and skill-building initiatives play a crucial role in bridging this gap. Governments and agricultural agencies play a significant role in supporting the date palm industry. Policies that promote research, provide financial support, and facilitate access to global markets are crucial for its growth. The future of date farming is bright, driven by continuous advancements in technology and techniques. Researchers are developing new date palm varieties with better pest resistance, higher yields, and adaptability to diverse climates. Date farming is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. From planting and nurturing young palms to harvesting sweet fruits with shaking machines, each step showcases the dedication and skill of farmers. The global date market continues to expand due to the growing popularity of this fruit and improving farming efficiency. As we conclude this episode, we hope you have gained a deeper understanding of the intricate art of date palm cultivation. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Farm Vibes Life for more insightful documentaries on modern agriculture. Welcome to Farm Vibes Life. Where we begin an exciting journey of exploring the world of apple farming. Today, we will explore the fascinating intersection of modern agricultural technology and traditional farming methods. While also revealing how they come together to nurture millions of apple trees and produce delicious chilled apple snacks loved worldwide. Join us as we explore this extraordinary journey from start to finish. The adventure begins with carefully selected young apple trees, each chosen for its rapid growth, resistance to pests, and ability to thrive in various climatic conditions. These young trees form the foundation of future orchards, with each sapling contributing to the vitality of a thriving apple ecosystem. After planting, the young trees grow vigorously, becoming stronger and healthier over the months. Once they reach the desired maturity, the next crucial stage begins: grafting. At the right time, these mature saplings are carefully collected and prepared for grafting at a specialized facility. The journey begins with a thorough cleaning of the roots, removing any soil residues and bacteria, ensuring they are in perfect condition for the upcoming grafting process. Meanwhile, nursery workers carefully select apple scions from top apple varieties, each meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. These valuable scions are then grafted onto the young rootstocks, creating an ideal genetic combination and enhancing the overall quality of the trees. Each grafted branch is carefully wrapped in protective wax for transportation, ensuring they can be safely shipped or stored until needed. The grafted jazz saplings are then stored for a short period, waiting for the optimal time to be planted. At the right time, they are transported to vast orchards, where the soil has been meticulously prepared using advanced technology. Modern advancements play a central role in this process. Machines work tirelessly to cultivate, aerate, and prepare the soil for optimal growth. Once the soil is ready, farmers carefully place the grafted sapling, while automated systems compact the soil and provide the necessary moisture, ensuring each tree is positioned precisely in the orchard. This innovative approach not only accelerates the planting process, but also enables farmers to cultivate orchards more efficiently. For a more hands-on approach, some experienced farmers opt for direct grafting right in the orchard. This meticulous method requires precisely grafting high-quality scions onto existing rootstocks in the soil, demanding exceptional skill and attention to detail. Direct grafting allows these experts to prune trees more precisely, shaping individual growth to maximize yield. Although labor-intensive, this method offers remarkable adaptability and ensures that each tree reaches its full potential. After the grafting process, the trees enter a crucial care phase that lasts about a year. During this period, growers diligently monitor and care for the young apple trees, providing essential nutrients, water, and protection against pests. Pruning is an essential practice, allowing each tree to develop strong branches capable of supporting a bountiful harvest. This meticulous care phase is crucial for the orchard's long-term prosperity, laying the foundation for a bountiful harvest season. As spring arrives, the apple orchards come to life, adorned with delicate buds that blossom into soft white and pink flowers. This moment is crucial in the apple tree's life cycle, as these blossoms play a vital role in pollination and lay the foundation for fruit development. The sight of an orchard in full bloom captivates the senses, as rows of vibrant trees attract bees and other pollinators essential for a successful harvest. After pollination, the blossoms begin to wither, making way for small apples to grow and ripen in preparation for the harvest. Finally, the eagerly awaited harvest season arrives. Farmers carefully hand-pick each apple at peak ripeness, ensuring only the finest ones are selected for optimal quality and freshness. However, modern advancements have introduced groundbreaking changes in the apple harvesting process. Modern automated harvesters have become essential in accelerating this process. Equipped with advanced imaging technology, sensors, and cameras, these machines can accurately identify and select the finest apples at peak ripeness. A remarkable aspect of these automated harvesters is their ability to operate around the clock, working through the night to enable fast and efficient harvesting across the entire orchard. After harvesting, the apples undergo a thorough cleaning and sorting process to ensure that only the finest ones move on to the next stage of production. These apples can be processed into fresh apple juice or further refined into freeze-dried apple snacks, perfect for those who enjoy the natural sweetness and convenience of apples. After the cleaning and sorting process, the journey of transforming apples into fresh, pure juice truly begins. Carefully selected, premium apples are transported to the juicing facility, where they are gently pressed to extract every drop of juice while preserving their original flavor and nutrients. After being crushed, the apples undergo a meticulous pressing process, allowing the juice to flow through a series of vine filters that remove any anise particles, resulting in a perfectly clear liquid. To preserve its fresh fruity aroma and vibrant flavor, the juice undergoes rapid pasteurization. This rapid heating method eliminates any bacteria while preserving the apple's natural sweetness. The juice is then cooled and left to settle, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a perfectly balanced taste. Finally, the juice is carefully bottled, with each container sealed to preserve its freshness and the pure essence of the fruit. The journey from apple to snack begins with selecting the finest apples from trusted sources, ensuring both freshness and flavor. The apples undergo a meticulous bubble washing process, a precise method that removes any potential impurities such as dust or bacteria. They are then trimmed and cored to remove any inedible parts, followed by 2 additional washes to meet strict hygiene standards. Once the apples are thoroughly cleaned and prepared, they enter the crucial stage of freeze-drying. Over 5 days, the apples are frozen at extremely low temperatures and then vacuum-dried. This method effectively removes moisture while preserving the apple's natural sweetness, crispness, and nutritional value. After freeze-drying, each crispy apple slice is handled with the utmost care. The apple snacks are carefully packaged in specialized containers that protect them from environmental factors, ensuring a long shelf life while preserving their delicious flavor and nutritional value. Each slice undergoes rigorous quality inspection, ensuring only the finest pieces reach consumers, delivering exceptional crispness and pure apple flavor in every bite. This journey through apple cultivation and freeze-dried apple production highlights the seamless blend of modern technology and time-honored farming methods, resulting in an exceptional product. From blossom to fruit, every stage is meticulously managed to ensure that apples and their derived products maintain the highest quality. If you found this insightful journey into apple farming fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts with Matt's Farm Vibes Live. We invite you to share in the comments which aspect of the journey captivated you the most.